The decision to start selling online is not the most difficult one. Immediately after taking it, you should think about the type of assortment you want to offer in your store, and then on various technical aspects such as choosing a store platform, payment gateway configuration, control over logistics and invoices, changes in the graphic templates, or a way to quickly and effectively add hundreds or thousands of products from different suppliers. After such considerations, you can definitely say, now the fun begins, but all these decisions don't have to be on your shoulders when you decide to choose a turnkey solution where all previously mentioned issues are already solved. Today, we will take a closer look at this topic and analyze the advantages and disadvantages of a turnkey solution compared to a self-configured store. We have two options when it comes to owning an online store. We can create the store on our own or with the help of an IT specialist or a marketing agency, or you can buy a turnkey solution store on a selected shopping platform and simply start selling. The difference in these two options is primarily in finances, because the cost of creating a dedicated software is often very high when you start running a store. A turnkey solution store based on a subscription and SaaS service significantly lowers the entry threshold and takes over building a store from the beginning. As Megamo, we definitely recommend choosing a turnkey solution, preferably already supplied with products. The turnkey solution has all the necessary tools and integrations to start professional sales on the internet. It has ready-to-use and modern channels for quick payments, handling parcels and couriers, and many others. And what's more, it offers technical support depending on the selected subscription. Looking at the very process of the store's life, starting from the beginning, the owner of the turnkey solution store does not have to analyze the store platforms available on the market one by one in search of the best one that will meet his needs and expectations. Moreover, the configuration phase, including getting acquainted with the technical documentation or the concept building of the store itself, have already been made, thought out, and most importantly, resolved. The turnkey solution store grows with you. You do not have to think about the harder requirements because the provider of the service you choose is responsible for guaranteeing that the store will function in a stable and reliable way. Then, each turnkey solution store has at least a few graphic templates to choose from, which greatly facilitates the process of selecting graphics or style that is to apply in your store. Next, supplying up the store with products you want to sell. This topic is the closest to us due to what we do as a company and the service of automatic integration of store with wholesalers, which we have been dealing with for over 14 years. Thanks to our app, you can add thousands of products from different suppliers in just few hours. Set your own pricing policy for various product categories, and above all, prices and stock will always be up to date in your store. The only disadvantage of the turnkey solution stores based on the SaaS model is the degree of control that the store owner has over its final form. By choosing such a solution, you do not participate in many stages of creating a store because they are carried out by a service provider you choose. Of course, the end result is tailored to your requirements, but when you receive a ready-made solution, take the time to fully understand its capacities and make sure that they meet your expectations. The turnkey solution store has many advantages and benefits that can make your store run faster and easier. As a seller, you only need to know what you want to sell, as other necessary tools such as payments, deliveries, and products themselves are already waiting for your customers. If you are planning to start selling online, looking for a technical support from an experienced company, or looking for a supplier worth recommending, get in contact with us. You will receive a ready-for-sale store supplied with the assortment of your choice.